This recipe is going to call for coconut oil, almond oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, beeswax, vitamin E oil, any combo of essential oils that you want to add into this mix. I went ahead and added all the ingredients of all the butters and the coconut oil to this mix. So we have 1 cup of coconut oil, 1.5 cup of shea butter, and 1/2 cup of the cocoa butter. And right now I have the beeswax, so we have 2 tablespoons of beeswax and 1 cup of almond oil. After I melt these all together, then we will wait for it to cool down and add the vitamin E oil. And you can add the essential oils to the mix then, or you can add it at the end. It's totally up to you. Now you can substitute any of the butters for any other butters, like there's avocado butter or mango butter. I just ordered some mango butter, so I'm really excited to make some whipped body butter using mango butter instead of the cocoa butter, because not everybody likes that cocoa smell with their body butter. So it'll be exciting to try that with the mango butter. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a video about that. So I already have all the butters added here. I have the coconut oil, I've got the shea butter, the cocoa butter, and now I'm going to add the almond oil. I have 1 cup of the almond oil here, and then I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Get all the goodies, make sure to get all the goodies right. Scrape that little cup here and make sure I have all the goodies out. I think that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna put this on the stove, melt it all together. So let's go to the stove. All right, now if you have a double boiler, awesome, use that. I don't have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just stick that on there. Just go ahead and stir that until it's all melted. Usually it takes about, I would say about 10-15 minutes. So let's just wait and come back until that's all melted. All right, we've got all the butters melted. That took about up to 20 minutes to get that all melted down. And I allowed it to cool down for about 10 minutes. And now I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil. You're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of this. Just kind of eyeballing it. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it cool down even more. You want the oils and butters to kind of harden a little bit before you put it in the blender and start whipping up your butter. All right, we got the butters semi-solidified and it took about a couple hours. I was a little impatient. I had it in the refrigerator for a while and then I took it out and put it in the freezer. So we'll see if I didn't ruin things, but I'm thinking it's gonna be okay because ain't nobody got time for that, right? I can't be sitting around waiting for this thing to get done. So, okay, let's get to whipping it. So I put the body butter into this container here and I'm gonna go ahead and use my KitchenAid and start whipping away. Oh yeah, it's looking really, really good. Smells amazing. This is gonna leave your skin feeling fantastic, smooth. Okay, that's gonna be good. I'm just gonna grab some, put it into a container. So let me grab that container. Okay, so I'm gonna put the body butter in this cute 2-ounce jar that I got on Amazon. And I made some really cute labels that I can put on the jar later. I'll make sure to include all the links below. So let's get this body butter in this jar. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the essential oils after I whipped the butter, and I'm gonna put it in the container. That way I can individualize each jar specifically for any health concern that I'm wanting to address. So you can use essential oils that are great for skin issues. So I have tea tree oil and lavender here, or you can make a body butter that will target inflammation or any discomfort in your body. And you could use wintergreen, deep blue, copaiba, aroma touch, and combine all those oils and use the whipped butter to help with discomfort in your body. And I'm going to use ylang and geranium because I love that combination, and that's what I've been using so far. So why change a good thing, right? So, and then when you're putting the essential oils individually, after you made the body butter, you can control how potent you want the essential oils to be in that body butter. And just really, you know, customize it when you're making it. Oh gosh, this is so awesome. When you guys make this, it's really just amazing what it looks like and how it smells. I love it. So I'm going to add 4 drops each of the essential oil in the jar and go with that and see how it smells. So I had 4 drops of geranium and then 4 drops of ylang. These 2 oils combined together smell fantastic if you haven't smelled it before. If you're smelling geranium by itself, it can be overpowering. It's got this floral smell to it. And ylang, oh, both these oils are great for women's hormones and just really balancing your hormones, supporting your mood. I love these 2 oils together, and plus it just smells amazing together. Oh, it smells good. Okay. Yes, I love it. Yeah, I might add just a couple more drops there each. Yes, yes. Now, if you're loving this content, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel if you like seeing this type of content and you want to see more of it. Hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. That would be awesome. Okay, so there we go for that one. Yum, yum. Put the jar, or put the lid on, put my label, and we are good to go. Created these labels on Canva, and then got the circular labels on Amazon, and these cute oval ones for the front of the jar. And there you have it. Pretty simple. Makes a great gift for a loved one or for yourself. So get your ingredients now and make your whipped body butter, and let me know how you like this recipe. Have a great day. Bye.